के दिल करे चूचे चूचे चे, के दिल करे चूचे चूचे चे. So today I don't have the energy to say hello everyone, welcome to this video. So I'm not gonna say that, so deal with it, deal with it, deal with it. So I have a very love and hate relationship with the Bollywood movie songs or Hindi film songs because when I was growing up, I used to really like them, and that was one of the reasons that I used to watch the Bollywood movies, and I really used to enjoy all these songs. I used to dance on them. By the time I moved to the later part of my teens and the beginning of my 20s, I stopped liking them, especially in the movies, because according to me, they were spoiling the plot of the movies if the movies had some plot. And I feel like some of the songs they carry forward the screenplay of the movie, and by some I mean like almost 10%, and the rest of the song I feel like they break the engagement that I'm having with the movies. So this was my opinion about the songs in the Bollywood movies, which has taken a 180-degree turn since my childhood. And why am I telling you this? Why should you care about my opinion? You should not. So now let's actually move to the point of this video, because I feel like the 2-3 minutes of this video was just like any other Bollywood song, and to be precise, those 90% of the Bollywood songs. So again, out of context, it's Sunday and my day is going like a big ass poop, and to cheer myself up, I usually play like some random songs and dance on them. And by random I mean like one Eminem song will play, and then some AC/DC, and then Arijit, or maybe A.R. Rahman, and then maybe Himesh Reshammiya or Neha Kakkar. Anything can play. Like, I literally do not discriminate between artists. And the songs that I dance are pretty much known to me, so I feel like there's not much adventure. Then I thought of started digging hole for myself and started searching the worst choreographed Bollywood songs. And by the way, you might be thinking to do all of those choreographies, you need to be a professional dancer. So let me just tell you, if you already don't know, I am one of those. And this channel pretty much started being a dance channel, and after that on this channel everything is happening except dance, because I stopped uploading the dance video, because after watching those videos of mine I realized I'm such an exceptional dancer and I don't want to embarrass any professional out there, and I don't want to come for their careers, so I decided not to do it anymore. And as you know, nobody can take the talent away, just like Salman Boy, the kind of realistic cinema he's been doing from past 400 years. And yes, let me just tell you, Salman Boy is not even just a great actor, he's also a great dancer. So the first song is from his movie Maine Pyar Kiya, and the song is Dil Deewana, is a revisit song which comes at the end of the movie. And all of these songs and their choreographies I'm also going to be seeing for the first time, and this list I have taken from the channel Tried and Refused Production. It's a Bollywood analysis slash discussion channel, and I really like this channel, and I agree pretty much 70 to 80% of what he says. So there's this video on his channel called 8 Worst Dance Routine slash Choreography in Bollywood Movies that make no sense at all, just like this channel. So not his channel, my channel. So I'm gonna be taking songs from there. So let's start with the song. This is an emotional song or what? Like, why is she crying? So I really like this step. I think I'll be recreating this step. So I really like the moonwalk addition to all of this. So this is our number 1 song. See, I told you, Salman Boy will never disappoint you. So the next song is from the movie Sing is Bling, and the song's name is Dil Kare Chooche Chooche. I don't know why am I unaware of all these things. What's wrong with me?
He wants to say that he loves you, babe. Now you gotta tell him something too. In every way, I just wanna say that you are the one, baby, I love you.
के दिल करे चूं चे चूं चे चे के दिल करे चूं चे चूं चे चे के दिल करे चूं चे चूं चे चे.
First of all, what does it mean? Like, what does this word or the line means? Like, dil kare chooche che. What? How does your dil can do chooche? And on the top of it, the step on that, it sounds really double meaning, and something is wrong. So now the next song is of my favorite Himesh Reshammiya, Madhushala, from the movie. I don't think so it is from the movie, but this song is uploaded by T-Series. I don't know. Yeah. let's watch the song.
मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में तेरे जिस्म की खुशबू में आंखों की मधुशाला में कभी यार गया कभी पार गया कभी आर गया कभी पार गया कभी आर
That's it. I can't wait to recreate these songs. So I've changed the camera positioning because apparently these songs required a lot of space to dance, and don't mind my clothes because I literally do not have any energy to change my clothes. So this is going to be my OOTD for this video. This is some jockey shorts which I think every Indian guy would have, and this I think I have stolen from any random guy, and this is a t-shirt from a men's section, don't know from where. So yes, let's move to my beautiful dance because you won't be caring about the clothes after watching the steps because you'll be mesmerized with the steps. So let's start with the moonwalk routine, Dil Deewana.
दीवाना दिल सजना के माने ना ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना
So yes, I didn't have Salman Boy to fall on, and yes, being such a professional dancer, I couldn't do that moonwalk. It's really tough. So let's move to the another song.
के दिल करे चूं चै चूं चै चै के दिल करे चूं चै चूं चै चै के दिल करे चूं चै चूं चै चै के दिल करे चूं चै चूं चै चै
My heart says choo cha cha. My heart says choo cha cha.
This is by far my favorite choreography. I love this step. Ah! Okay, my slipper have come off, but I don't think so. These professional dances you can do in slippers. I rather should have gotten my ballerina shoes. Let's move to the next one. So this is Madhushala from Himesh Reshmiya, my favorite.
मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में तेरे जिस्म की खुशबू में आंखों की मधुशाला में कभी यार गया कभी पार गया कभी आर गया कभी पार गया कभी आर गया कभी पार गया कभी आर गया कभी पार गया मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में खोया मधुशाला में
I will change my answer. Madhushala was my favorite, and here I didn't miss the partner like a guy or something. Here I missed two Madhushala. I wanted two girls around me, and then I wanted to go from one side to the other. But yeah, I think I'm gonna dance to some of these songs, like similar kind of a songs, or I'm gonna repeat these songs because I need to perfect the steps. So now let me have some fun alone with these songs, and this is it for the video. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you didn't like the video, don't like, don't share, don't subscribe. I don't care. Actually, low-key I care. So, and yes, whatever it is, if you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. Bye.